County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern King County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oswego, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Aurora around 5:40 p.m. Naperville around 5:50 p.m. Plainfield around 5:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Bolingbrook and Romeoville, including the following Interstate 55 near mile marker 262. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA's weather.